Part 5. Control Battleground form. This form you can open by this button or press C key on your keyboard. You can calculate how many units you need to strike specific level of battleground. For example, to count this number for red battlegrounds, firstly you need to send a reconnaissance. What is reconnaissance? Reconnaissance is a small number of units that will kill about 5 to 10% of Balor's troops. For example, you can send here 20 necromancers, count them here, 20, and wait for a report. Here is our report, and let's look for it. Firstly, you must save the additional coefficient. What is it? You may press 0 or -2 or +2, so +5%. This coefficient will be used in calculation. If you press -2%, so the program will subtract this 2% from the base amount of units. So you can make these settings by your game style. Press -5, maybe 0. I play 0 or -2. I recommend. Okay, here is our report. Press two swords here, choose right here our level, unit necromancers, reconnaissance 20, and experience 108, and press OK button. So here we see how many units left. If you look here, you see only for 1 unit. Also you can count for 2 units, and here they both will be shown. For example, here only 1 unit necromancer, 280 left. If I send this number, they will all die but not open the battleground. This is very good for us because we must open only the battleground with the price only 49. While this progress bar is less than 75%, you can strike any battleground. The same you can count for defense battleground. Here is our reconnaissance. Press this shield, 49 Griffin, 50 reconnaissance, 50. Here, look here, we choose enemy unit type that has a biggest amount. Here is Arch, so they died 396. Right here died enemies, and total 3458. Press OK button. So see here, we need 377 more. So let's count these numbers: 20 necromancers, okay, and 50 griffins, okay. For example, when you set second attack or other units, you double click to this row and you can change the data for other units. Also the same for red. I don't want to kill, for example, necromancers here. I want to kill dragons. I send, for example, 10 dragons or 20. Oh, let's send 15 dragons. Count them immediately and wait for report. Okay, here's the report. We see double click to this row, 46 level. Now choose dragons, reconnaissance 50 and experience 80, and press OK. And now it changed to 269 dragons. Also you can count the number of 2 units, send it at the same time as a reconnaissance. For example, you have sent it to a 60th level dragons and necromancers. I recommend you to send them in the proportion you have planned. For example, you planned 100 dragons and 500 necromancers, so you send them in this proportion 1 to 5. For example, 10 dragons and 50 necromancers. And right here the experience they strike. For example, 300 experience. Press OK. You see here is our battleground, and at the middle between these two tables is your information. When you click to the row with battleground level, here 95 dragons and 475 necromancers left. They will die in this battleground. But my coefficient is -2. If it was 0, here would be more units. If you choose this row and press reserve, it will show an error because we don't have enough number of dragons. But we can do this for griffins. For example, see here, we have 823 griffins. Here is our reconnaissance. We pressed here and reserve. You see the number changed. Now we have only 443 free units. And when you send another to defense battlegrounds units, you must choose here. Are they reserved or not? For example, if you press not reserved and write here 500, but we have only 443, the program will show a warning. It's not enough available troops. Available 443. Continue? No. Or yes, you can press. As well, you can remove the reservation. Here press the reserve and the number will change to an initial. In order to delete the rows from this table, just select by clicking on the header and press delete on your keyboard, and the row will be deleted. In the form control battleground, you can see the following buttons. First one is maximize and minimize form, turn left, turn right, clear, settings for additional coefficient, buttons to offense and defense battlegrounds, and YouTube button. That's all for this form.